Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be reviewing the digital website Influenza Encyclopedia, which was produced by the University of Michigan Center for the History of Medicine and Michigan Publishing. This focuses on the American influenza epidemic of 1918 through 1919. Just state here that over 650,000 Americans had lost their lives due to this epidemic during this time period, and over 50 million deaths have occurred worldwide. However, by viewing this initial page, you wouldn't get that kind of impact. You can view the original content that the university has published, and just by viewing this for a couple of seconds, we can see that their main site gives a bigger impact in regards to the significance of this epidemic. Let's find out a little bit more about this project. To state that this site is geared towards students, researchers, and academics, and it is an internet repository for historical documents that focuses on this time period. It also states that they are continuously updating their repository as they come across more historical documents. If we want to learn more about the reasoning behind this site, we can go to the About section, and it gives a further detailed information. If we go to the acknowledgements section, we can view the various archives, records, and libraries that the university obtained their information from. Again, it will take us to the archives. The site is divided into 4 sections by people, places, organizations, and subjects. You can also view 50 cities. And these are only cities that were highly populated at that time. If we were wanting to narrow our search down to a less populated city, we can go to our quick search here and type in, say, Albuquerque. And we can see that Albuquerque was mentioned 14 times in 13 documents. And we get a digitized view of the document. You can also search city essays here, which again is exactly what it states here. So the aspect of the site is pretty redundant, and that happens the same with search the archive. Search your archive. You can do browse this archive, and it does allow you to click through the different titles, cities, organizations, people, places, publications, and subjects. When we do that, we have access to the various archives. However, you are not allowed to look for keywords within the actual document themselves. You have the option to download the PDF. Download PDF. You are able to view the image gallery. Do this several ways. You can go to the individual city itself. It gives a essay about the city in regards to the epidemic at that time, and then you click on one picture and then view the various pictures associated with that city. Lastly, if you are needing help, do a step-by-step guide on how to search the archives. Due to the various amounts of information, it can be a little challenging to decipher what you're looking for. Overall, if you are an academic looking to further research the influenza epidemic of this time period, this is an excellent resource for you. I would not advise this for anyone that is looking for pictures, looking for digitized maps. This is strictly historical documents.